Hi guys, good evening to everyone. So I'm going to discuss about the few luxury brands which comes in their that sportswear, the activewear, and they are known for their polo t-shirts as well. So let me just talk about that Ralph Lauren. So basically, the history is very interesting of the Ralph Lauren because Ralph Lauren is an American fashion designer, and apart from that, he is a billionaire businessman and a philanthropist, and basically best known for the Ralph Lauren Corporation Limited. So Mr. Lauren stepped down as a CEO of the company and in the year of 2015, and but still remains executive chairman and that chief executive officer of Ralph Lauren Corporation Limited. So in the year of 1962 to 1964, he worked as an army in the United States of excuse me America, and left his work and joined that sales assistant in a Brooks Brothers. So the Ralph Lauren Corporation started in the year of 1967, and with a men's tie. And in the age of 28 years of old, Lauren worked as a tie manufacturer, and he convinced his company's president to let him start his online. So then, drawing with his interest to in the sports, Lauren named his first full line of menswear polo in the year of 1968, and in 1969 the Manhattan departmental store that's called a Bloomingdale's sold Lawrence that men's line collections, and it was the first time in the world that Bloomingdale's had given a designer on their on in-store boutique. And then in the store of 1900 in the year of sorry in the year of 1971, that Ralph Lauren Corporation launched a line of tailored shirts for women, and which introduced the polo player emblem within it, and it was that the first time to the world it was they have launched. And in the year of 1972, the Ralph Lauren introduced a signature cotton mesh polo t-shirt in a various colors, and it's featuring the polo player logo in the chest point. And that shirt became that style icon and the signature symbol of the Ralph Lauren styles. In the 20th of century, Ralph Lauren opened his first flagship boutique in New York City. Let me just talk about the brand logo of the Ralph Lauren. So basically, that's means the brand logo of the Ralph Lauren. That's basically contains the polo player, and it is created by that tennis pro Rene Lacoste, and which became that that brand signature look worldwide. So Ralph Lauren brand basically it's known for the clothing and basically known for the marketing, distribution of products into four categories. It's in apparel, it's in home, it's in accessories, and it's in fragrances as well. So Polo Ralph Lauren basically known for the men's polo t-shirt with the mesh fabric and the tailored clothing, and the range of the Polo Ralph Lauren starts from like that 8,000 till 15,000 onwards. And if I talk about the Ralph Lauren, which is a premium collection of Ralph Lauren, that's called a Ralph by Ralph Lauren, which was launched in the year of 1994, and it offers suits and it offers sports blazers, vest, and the top coats. And then they have that sportswear and the activewear collection called the Polo Sports Collection, and the Double RL. They have also launched Double RL. That's by the name of Ralph Lauren and his wife Ricky's, which is a premium and the luxury collections of apparels, and that men's mix selvage denim. The starting range would be like 30 to 35,000, and they have the onwards. Thank you.